nisage chai theng ama yam laiba aduga
Headlines. PM Modi Z hold one-on-one talks on day 2 of summit at Mamallapuram resort. Another bomb blast rocks Moray indefinite band called. And Maricom clinches bronze in World Women's Boxing Championships. Good afternoon, you're watching the news at 1. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Xi Jinping resumed their one-on-one talks on the second day of the India-China informal summit at Mamallapuram today after an extensive interaction on Friday, during which they agreed to work together on issues ranging from trade to terrorism. A media report said the two leaders are expected to spend 3 hours together at the Fisherman's Cove, a luxury beachside resort overlooking the Bay of Bengal. They are initially meeting for a tete-a-tete with only translators present, in a makeshift structure with large glass windows that is expected to last an hour, and this will be followed by delegation-level talks with their allies. Modi will also host a private lunch for Xi, which is expected to provide yet another opportunity for a one-on-one conversation. Both sides are expected to issue separate statements after the conclusion of the talks. People familiar with developments said both sides are coordinating on the text of their separate statements. Modi received Xi when he drove in a motorcade from his hotel in Chennai to the Fisherman's Cove. Then they drove in golf carts to the venue of their discussions, located a short distance from the beach. Foreign Secretary Vijay Gokhale told reporters on Friday that the two leaders held open and cordial discussions over a dinner that stretched for 2.5 hours, almost double the scheduled duration. A powerful improvised explosive device, EID, exploded at the compound fencing wall of Kuki Students Organization Moray after office located at Ngamkhai last evening at around 7:55. The explosion site is close to the HTC office and about 50 meters away from an Assam Rifles post. As per reports, the impact of the bomb was so powerful that the fencing wall of KSO office was partially destroyed and tremors were felt in some parts of Moray Market, which borders Myanmar. However, no casualties were reported. It is the third explosion in Moray area within a week. Condemning the incident, Moray-based civil society has called an indefinite band in the town. The residents have denounced the frequent explosion. Meanwhile, an improvised explosive device, EID, was found planted at a culvert on Tidim Road located at the intersection of Waikurok and Leshang villages of Churachandpur district early this morning. As per reports, the area has been cordoned off by security forces as preventive measure. Further details are awaited. Six-time champion MC Maricom today won a bronze medal in the World Women's Boxing Championships 51 kg category after losing to Turkey's Buzenaz Kariroglu in an intense semi-final bout played at Ulan-Ude of Russia. Third-seeded Maricom lost to second-seed Karikoglu of Turkey in 1-4. Later in the evening session, Manjurani played against Thailand's Chuthamat Raksad in the 48 kg category, while Jabuna Boro, 54 kg, will take on top seed and former Asian Games bronze medalist Huang Xiaowen of Chinese Taipei. A team of Imphal East District Commando arrested 2 persons in connection with drug smuggling and vehicle lifting cases last afternoon. According to police, acting on a tip-off, Pungshumbam Chittaranjan Singh's was arrested from his residence at Achangbigai Mayai Lekai, and later his accomplice, identified as Loitongbam Raghumani, was arrested by police from his Hyangthang residence. Reportedly, 5 stolen two-wheelers along with contraband drugs were seized from their possession. The arrested along with the seized items were handed over to Hangang police station for further legal action, the report added.
Mang bakot pa mayam si wikan honor padagi marangin numisi sa koina punna gari manga si koi recover to bangami aduna pharaba gari sing adagi pharaba miyoi sing koina Hangang police station da sinaraga ain goiba legal process ama masagi to hunto podum tawrani aduga gari sing asi koina manggiba kanagumba leiraga di dum magi proof piraga adum police station dagi court ki through dum loba yagani simtasu ai mayamda phongdosage.
Now we'll take a short commercial break, but coming up next, National Indigenous Seed Festival 2019 kicks off today at main auditorium of Central Agricultural University, Hiroshima, Imphal.
अखोई की पामजब लंबीदा नियम चुमना चलगदी खुनाय असे नोंग नत्रग नोंगदी सौखटप खुनाय म सोइदन ओय
Radiant Group na inkhalaklibा nupi singhi haithoi singthoiraba losing amadi lamchak sing uthoknabagi tanjaki
थोरम असे होकदोक सबोइना लाकदोरिब अक्टोबर की तंग तरादा कर्टेन राइजर इम्फाल होटल तंगथोक सगे
कर्टेन राइजर निमित असिदा contestant sing kana नो हैबदु मसक खमन मदुरिबनी
इवेंट असिगी ग्रैंड फिनाले लाकलेब अक्टोबर तंग दोइदा होटल इम्फाल असे सोइदन पातोक सगे
numit asida mayam soidana lengthokiro
Diwali amasung Ningol Jacobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na festival asida Honda cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lariba Honda cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amage up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October kungani pan ki mangoinana lobi hogadabani. Discount sing asi kidama terms and conditions khara laizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su laizari. Akupa marol kidama ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back. The National Indigenous Seed Festival 2019 was kicked off today at the main auditorium of Central Agricultural University, Hiroshima, Imphal. Vice Chancellor of CAU, Professor M. Premjit Singh, and retired IAS R.K. Nimai were present as main guests during the inaugural function. The festival is jointly organized by all Manipur-trained medicinal and aromatic plants promoters, Consortium, and Bharat Biswaraj Manch. The festival will continue till October 14, the organizers said. Addressing the function, Professor M. Premjit underlined on preserving different types of indigenous seeds found in Manipur and the need of increasing the number of farmers in the state. He also stressed on the need of introducing and promoting high-tech agriculture and integrated farming system in the state.
And it is the primary center of diversity of rice in the northeastern region. More than 9,650 rice varieties are already described, out of which this university, under the dynamic leadership of our former breeder and former director of research, who is sitting here, our elder brother, Dr. Veni Kumar, and his team, there is his students, Ranjit Sharma, Renuka, and other students.
Governor of Manipur, Dr. Najma Heptullah, said she is happy to have the opportunity to flag in a team of farmers from Manipur on their return to the state after a visit to Sikkim for exposure and learning all aspects of organic farming, starting from production to packaging and marketing. At the function at headquarters IGARS Imphal, Najma Heptullah also complimented the Assam Rifles for organizing such a trip in their collective effort to organize this flag-in function within such a short time. She said that in spite of their busy schedule to contain the insurgency problems at the sensitive location, the 4th Battalion Assam Rifles has been relentlessly making efforts to further their civic action program in the northeast states. Dr. Najma said people from different walks of life will certainly welcome this gesture and benefit immensely from the civic action program of the security forces. The vision of this particular program is mainly to create self-sustaining agroeconomics and self-sufficient societies in the rural areas of the northeastern states by tapping the enormous potential of organic farming available without damaging the unique flora and fauna of the region, thereby minimizing the recruitment grounds of insurgents. All Moirang City Block Auto Iris Magic Coordinating Committee today held a sit-in demonstration demanding complete withdrawal of registration done by Moirang City Block E-Rickshaw Development Cooperative Society Limited. The protest was held at Moirang Changi ground. The Moirang City Block Auto Iris Magic Coordinating Committee is an umbrella body of 14 different associations. Convener of the committee, Mohammed Haibur Rahman, said vehicle key of more than 1,000 autos will be submitted to the concerned authority as a mark of protest against registration by e-rickshaws. A two-day program on the 26th Gurukirtan, jointly organized by Guru Gulapi Nath Sankirtan Academy and Ishailup Manipur, has kicked off at Lamyamba Shanglane, Imphal East today. As part of the event, a discussion on the topic Anoba Manipur Vaishnav sharing the Guru Gulapi Ki Khudo was held. Time for another break. Stay tuned.
Presenting India's widest range of eco-friendly scooters, Okinawa Scooter. India's longest range and top speed of 75 km per hour. Powered by lithium-ion battery. Government of India FAME 2 certified. Get advantage of deduction of 7% cut in GST for electric vehicle. Can be driven in rain and hill. High-speed electric scooters. Pollution-free vehicle. Smiles for miles, 20 paisa per kilometer. Smooth driving on hills and valley. Loan available, financed by HDFC Bank. For details, please contact Okinawa Scooters Showroom, Wangi Services at Malom Bazaar, Imphal West, Manipur. Or contact us at 700-5830-142 or 87877-23780.
Red Sopa, an online store based on indigenous food items. Iramdamgi oiba chanaba potlamsing online da Resopergi khuthangda laina khangbigani.
Delivers to all over India. Yamna thuba matamda delivery ki khudongchaba su fangbigani. Delhi gi oinadi iramdamgi oiba mana masing sing su fangbigani. Masida sunatana same day delivery ki khudongchaba su pijari.
Available for both Android and iOS.
Get 20% off on your first order. Download now for free.
Red Shopper.
Welcome back. A combined team of Imphal East Commando and troops of 15 Assam Rifles arrested 2 active members of the proscribed Prepak Pro group yesterday. According to police, the arrested were identified as Wahengbam Falhada Singh, aged 21 years, of Brahmapur Bamon Lerak Guru Lerak, and Yumlembam Jeshan Singh, aged 21 years, of Wangkai Puja Lampak Yumlembam Lerak. They were later handed over to Porompat police station. Kicking off an HIV/AIDS sensitization campaign in Aizawl, Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga yesterday made a clarion call to fight and combat the disease in the state. The Chief Minister said that the present status of HIV/AIDS in Mizoram is quite alarming. Mizoram has the dubious distinction of being the highest HIV prevalent state in the country, he added. The deadly disease should be fought on war footing so that the state can register a low rate of its occurrence. The Aizawl District AIDS Prevention and Control Committee launched a sensitization program on AIDS covering every government offices within Aizawl. In the first phase, the sensitization program will be launched in 10 selected government offices in Aizawl, with the Secretariat being the first. Mizoram recorded the highest HIV prevalence rate in the country with 2.04%, followed by Manipur 1.43% and Nagaland 1.15%. It has been estimated that at least 7 people are diagnosed with HIV positive daily in Aizawl. Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, Most Rev. Dominic Jala has passed away in a road accident in the USA on Thursday. Both Archbishop Dominic Jala and Father Matthew Vilankal passed away in a fatal car crash with a semi-truck in the USA. The accident occurred around 11 p.m. 10:30 a.m. India on Thursday when the two were traveling to Clear Lake in California along with Father Joseph Parikat, a report said. Guwahati, October 11, IBNS in view of rupture of water pipeline in Kopili Hydel project of Northeastern Electric Power Corporations in Umksu in Assam's Dima Hasao district, leading to damage of properties in the power plant. Assam Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal instituted an inquiry and DIG South Assam Division PK Datta has been asked to carry out the same. Besides, Chief Minister Sonowal asked Minister in charge of hill areas, development, mines and minerals Sam Ronghang to visit the accident site with a high-powered team to take stock of the situation. The high-powered team will also have MP Harin Singh Bey, MLA Bibi Hakjar and Nomal Momin, Chief Executive Member of Dima Haso Autonomous Council, Debolal Gorlosa. Now let's have a look at the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, day after latest talk, deeply committed to framework agreement, says NSC and IM. Huge turnout expected at Siroilili Fest. Corcom calls general strike on October 15. The People's Chronicle, NSC and IM alleges center backtracking from framework agreement. Heated exchange of words in peace talks. MDA mules legal action against ILPS scrap. Chief Minister calls for public support in war on drugs. Court sends elderly rapist to 15 years rigorous imprisonment. Blast rocks Mori. Indefinite set-down begins. Imphal Free Press. Deeply committed to framework agreement, will stand by it, says NSC and IM. State women outshine rest of India in micro, small and medium enterprises business ownership. Include yoga in school syllabi to fight drug manage. New schemes to energize cooperative sector, says NIMCHA.
Now before we end the bulletin, the top headlines once again. PM Modi Z hold one-on-one talks on day 2 of summit at Mamalapuram Resort. Another bomb blast rocks Mori, indefinite band called. Mary Kom clinches bronze in World Women's Boxing Championships. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
Diwali amasung Ningol Chakobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na festival asida Honda cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lariba Honda cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amaze up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October